Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben and today we want to take a look at another cryptocurrency chart. We take a look at the Cronos chart. Haven't checked it for a while, so let's take a look at it. Let's go. We are on the Market Intel website, dailymarketupdate.com. You can register here completely for free and you get access to all of these, Elliott-Wave updates every single day, completely for free. What we can do, we click on our cryptocurrency section. Here we select the Cronos chart. We want to take a look at the long-term chart first. This is the Cronos chart. And yeah, you might already know this chart from previous updates. Just to get everybody on the same page, new viewers, want to share with you what the long-term expectations are. Very soon, the Fed might lower interest rates. That might just lead to some volatility in the charts, and therefore it could very well be that this is a catalyst to get some movement into into the crypto market, but also into other markets. Obviously you can see it here on the long-term chart. Minimum upside target long-term, that is, if this wave count plays out. Okay, if this analysis is being followed, it's a roadmap. That's what it is. The $1.29 level stands as a first key target in this third wave after here this ABC flat correction, so-called. It's a flat correction with an overshooting B wave. Once this is completed, we can watch for the $1.29. I mean, at the moment, we are already looking at it as potentially complete or nearly complete. But obviously what we haven't seen yet is the impulsive move up in a third wave, which would normally follow such a wave two correction. So therefore, it's still important to be here on the side of caution. Currently, the crypto sector is, I would say, very nervous overall. I mean, most coins are sort of following Bitcoin at the moment. I'm very much interested in Bitcoin myself because based on what we see on the Bitcoin chart, we can get a really good idea of how healthy the crypto market is. And at the moment, we just have to be very much on the side of caution because also on the Bitcoin chart, we're not seeing those impulsive movements to the upside yet. I mean, on the long-term chart, Bitcoin rallied quite nicely, followed expectations, but the altcoins haven't really followed yet. So at the moment, until Bitcoin gives us that next impulsive move up, but we talk about that in Bitcoin videos, be careful with altcoins. But that is a potential here that this chart shows, $1.29 plus. Now let's take a look at the shorter time frame chart. You see here, first of all, very important levels. The 4-cent level below needs to hold to keep the idea alive that a wave 2 could have already bottomed, but we only see that actually with a 40% likelihood. So it seems more likely based on a structure that has developed from the recent lows that we see a little bit more downside. I would definitely prepare for that. Seems like the more probable scenario at the moment. We might even break below that 4-cent level. However, if we see a break above that 18-cent level a little bit earlier than expected, okay, even before breaking below 4 cents, well, that would activate the alternative scenario in which a third wave rally would already start a little bit sooner. But at the moment, there is just this structure just it's not very fulfilling. It's not very, it doesn't give us a very, very clear, let's say, confirmation, that a larger degree wave 2 is bottomed. It's possible, the potential is there, but the bulls need to step in and give us further evidence for that. And one piece of evidence would be a break above the 18-cent mark. And, maybe fueled by positive news about rate reductions, very speculative, of course, that might happen. But it's always impossible to know how exactly a market will respond to news events, because if the Fed, for example, lowers rates too fast, could be an indication that it's starting to lose control somewhat. Okay, so therefore, it's not necessarily the case that lower rates are always bullish. It's how the market perceives that. And the Elliott-Wave patterns typically tell us in what kind of pattern we are, allows us to understand how the market is likely going to react. So that means, bottom line is, at the moment we are not very confident that a low has been struck. So we have to be on the side of caution. We're watching for clearer patterns, but either from here or after one more low, a rally should start. Again, the potential is there, but a low is only in place once we see a first 5-wave move up, followed by a 3-wave pullback, something that gives us a more impulsive confirmation that an impulse to the upside is actually unfolding. And the 18-cent mark is such a key level that needs to break to confirm that further. So far, as you can see, we had a corrective rally here, but there's no sign that this current decline is over yet. So we have to be a bit more patient, okay? Patience is important. This correction has really taken some time, but I think soon we are going to see a little bit more volatility. Again, that's the update about Cronos. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you are interested in further updates, also register on our website, Don't forget to activate the notification bell for further upside, and let me know in the comments which are the cryptocurrencies you like to see here on this channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.